Boyle's law states that the pressure of a gas is inversely proportional to its volume. This means that if you decrease the volume of a gas, its pressure will increase proportionally, and if you increase the volume, its pressure will decrease proportionally, provided the temperature and the amount of gas are kept constant. Mathematically, Boyle's law is expressed as PV equals constant, where P is the pressure of the gas, V is the volume of the gas. Level the base of the apparatus by rotating leveling screws with the help of a level bottle. Adjust the height of mercury in closed and open tubes at the same level. Note down the following things using scale. Volume of enclosed air V in the closed tube. Height of mercury in closed tube HC and height of mercury in open tube HO. Using above values, find the value of reciprocal of volume and pressure difference using formula. H equals HO minus HC, and pressure of enclosed air using formula. P equals atmospheric pressure plus pressure difference. Then finally find the value of the product of pressure and volume PV. Write down these readings in the observation table. Also note that only in this case HO will be equal to HC. Take 3 readings for volume, HC and HO for pressure of enclosed air is more than atmospheric pressure, HO greater than HC, H is positive as explained in previous step. Similarly, take 3 readings for volume, HC and HO for pressure of enclosed air is less than atmospheric pressure, HO less than HC, here H is negative, as explained previously. Calculate the product of pressure and volume in each case. The product PV will be approximately constant. Find the average value of the product pages V. Plot the graph of reciprocal of volume on x-axis versus pressure of enclosed air on y-axis and find its slope, which should be approximately equal to PV average. Write down conclusions from the observation table and graphs.